This tutorial is going to talk about how to access Surge Learning. First, you would go to your web browser. I like to use Internet Explorer and type in the web address www.surgelearning.ca. This will take you to the website. Once you reach the website, you will notice a place at the top of the web page that says Login. This is where you will click to enter in your login credentials. Once you arrive to this page, you will be asked to put in your username and password. Your username starts off with a site code, and your site code is Bayshore . Then you will put in your username. Today, I'm going to log in as Jane Doe, so I would put in the first initial of my first name and my last name. Altogether, it would look like Bayshore.jdoe, all small letters, no spaces. Then you will put in the password that has been provided to you by Bayshore. Once you have put in your password, click Sign In to continue. Logging into Surge Learning will bring you to the home page, and you'll notice that on my screen I have one icon called My Courses. This is where you will find the courses that have been assigned to you. You'll notice that at the top I have an alert telling me that I have something coming due within the next 30 days. I can click on My Courses to look at those items. You'll notice that the courses that I have been assigned are yellow, and that means that the course is coming due within a 30-day period. If the course turns pink, it means that the course has become past due. You will be able to see the exact due date of the course in this column here. The running time of the video will be displayed in this column, and when you are ready to take the course, you will simply click on the title of the course here. You'll notice in this screen that this course has a test. I can't actually access the test until I've taken the course first. The test passing rate is identified here, so before even taking the test, I know exactly what the expectation is for me to pass. I will start the process by clicking on the icon Take Course. When I do this, my video will load. At the bottom, you'll notice your sound controls. You also have a play or pause button, and you also have your previous and next. So if you need to pause for any reason, if you have some sort of a distraction, you can pause it and come back to it when you're ready. When you have watched the course in its full duration, you will click on the button at the top that says, I have completed this course. Now be sure to watch the course fully before doing this, and you'll notice that the system has actually identified that I haven't watched the course fully. So you would return to the course and finish the content. Once you have watched it in its full duration, you will come to a verification screen where it asks you to identify your level of understanding. So in my first option, I can select that I have completed the education and I understand the content. Or the second option, which says I have a question about this content, and I can actually type it in here. Once you have selected your understanding of the material, type in your password in the field provided, and this step is very crucial in order to proceed to the next step, which is the test. Once you click Submit, you'll notice that a little green check mark goes above the icon Take Course. This indicates that this step has been completed and my test is now available for me to take. When I click on Take Test, my test questions will load. You'll notice the question is on the left and your options are on the right side. I'm going to go through the questions and answer them all. Make sure that you answer the test thoroughly. And once you have made your selections, we're going to click Submit. In this case, I didn't pass the test. The passing score was 80, and I got 70%. When you scroll down, you'll notice what you got correct and what you got incorrect. You will need to take the test again because you did not pass the first time. You can simply click on Back to Course and click on Take Test to take it a second time. In My Courses, you will be able to then repeat that process for any other courses that you have in your list of things to do. Once you have finished your session in Surge Learning, you'll notice that there's a button at the top right corner in which you will click to log out of your session.